So when you create a new Linux user, well, get yourself a console, get yourself some root access. I'm going to use this method, but like and subscribe, I will show different methods to get root access. Just like and subscribe and I'll show you how, and you can choose the one you prefer. Then do user add and give it the name. I'll call this one Bob. User is created, give him a password. I'm going to use a very simple password in this case. You could use a complex password like long password with letters, numbers, and special characters. In this case, I used a simple password. I get this warning. I am the root user. I can set any password really simply. I will get the warning, but the password will be set. A regular user will have to follow along the security policies. But in this case, I'm using root to give Bob its password. I can set a simple one. In your own, you can choose to use a more complex one. It's your calling. So I'll just do then do change minus D0 Bob. This will make sure that Bob will be forced to change his password on the next login. So next time Bob logs in, he will need to type the password root has set him, and he will have to decide which password to be its own password. And this time he will have to use a secure password depending on your security policies, password length, password complexity, etc. Then you do change minus L Bob. This is now showing us that password must be changed. This means that it actually is set. The password is set, and he's going to be forced to change his password to his own password. So you guys cannot see it very clearly, but here says password must be changed. So the user was created. The user has a password temporarily, and he will be forced to set his password on the next login. Like and subscribe, it really helps. Let me know if you have any questions about this, and I'll be happy to answer. If you're watching this on a short form, I have also a long form, a regular video with aspect ratio bigger that you can also watch on my channel. So you have this video, you have on the short form and normal form. Take your pickings, pick your poison. Like and subscribe, it really helps, and I'll see you in the next one.